Ow. What's my fingers? Hungry. So, I feel I should explain myself a little bit better, because some of you might be thinking, Mylo, you didn't film or edit or post anything for months. Well, the truth is, I was filming and I was trying to edit. Then I had a little problem with my MacBook. Actually, it was a series of problems. Hang on a minute, I'll just get the parts out of the bag. Firstly, this little thing went. Can you see that? This little thing. It's the MagSafe connector for the charging cable. 90 quid. Ka-ching! Then this went. This is the big one. This was my motherboard, and that cost about £300 to replace. Ka-ching! And then after that, the battery wasn't being recognised by the new motherboard. It's a firmware problem apparently. So this battery is fine. But I've had a new one put into my MacBook anyway, and now it only works if I plug it in the wall. So the practical upshot of this means that I gave the repairers a laptop and they gave me back a desktop. It needs to be plugged into the wall all the time if I'm going to use it at all. Also, it's a bit annoying that I have to reset the clock every time I plug it in, but there you go. These are problems, and as I've said many times, to me problems are just challenges, okay? And if I can rise to the challenge and find a different way to edit, I can continue doing this. Did I tell you about my mini rig? Oh yeah, I built a little mini rig based on my smartphone. I mean, I'm filming this on my phone with a little condenser microphone stuck on the side of it, on a selfie stick stuck in my shoe. So yeah. Anyway, that's enough of that. Basically, I was starting to convince myself that if I couldn't film or edit or post in a certain way, that I couldn't do it at all. And clearly that's not the case. I'm actually starting to enjoy this little challenge that I set for myself to do a video every day, and who knows, I might be able to become a daily vlogger. Yeah. One day at a time, Mylo, one day at a time. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll leave a few links in the description below of the kind of gear that I'm using if you're interested. I'd like to give a little shout out to my friends, my new friends, at the Mediterranean restaurant at Roydon Station. Their restaurant is called Simply Just. That was where you saw me sitting at the start of this video. It's a really nice atmosphere in there, and I couldn't ask for a better place for a little office to do my emailing and occasionally a little bit of editing. So thank you very much for that. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.